Presido Buhari don't hold Ogbonge meeting with delegates for Dubai Expo 2020. Presido Buhari don't hold serious engagement with key members of the delegation to make sure that the nation gets maximum benefits from the outing, as Nigeria don ready to show her big economic potentials to prospective members as Nigeria marked the National Global Exposition for Dubai on Friday. The Ogbonge interactive meeting where Presido Buhari summoned people wey dey na ministers, Nigerian ambassadors to the UAE, plus other agencies of government, discuss on the best way for Nigeria for the Expo with the theme Connecting Minds, Creating the Future.
The whole idea of the Expo is to use it as an opportunity to project Nigeria to the rest of the world. There are about 192 countries participating in this Expo. So there are people from 192 countries who are going around. As of today, Nigeria's pavilion has attracted close to 200,000 people who have visited. So there's a lot of interest in Nigeria, and we also see it as an opportunity to project tourism potentials of Nigeria to the world, so that people will see the kind of thing that we have in Nigeria, and it will interest them to want to come and visit. Well, there are discussions going on, and we are sure that by the end of the Expo, a lot of agreements would have been signed.
We are here to showcase what we have been doing in Nigeria, and secondly, to look for partners that we can support one another to continue to support our nations, and thirdly, to attract potential investors, because we have so many investment opportunities in Nigeria, and through this we develop our economy, we create many jobs for our citizens, and at the same time we promote our international image.
Nigerians where they abroad say ready gidigba to take advantage of the Expo, take change the narrative about Nigeria abroad.
We as a commission, the mission, the consulate see this as an opportunity to engage one another. Let's deal with the hard facts. If we are behaving badly, we need to stop it. We cannot be bringing cultism into another man's country and expect them to receive us with open arms. We don't want the bad to affect the good. And really speaking, is an opportunity to have a turning point. Now, the leadership of the Nigerian community at that level needs to come together. Let's see ourselves as Nigerians and work together and help one another. If we are behaving badly, we tell ourselves the truth. And so you need to stop this. And I know that we can achieve with better engagement with them at that level.
Special Trade and Investment Forum go still hold during the Global Exposition. Take further show Nigeria plenty of opportunities. Osato Ame Ogbonge, 40MC News.